was that very first year at the Sydney Thunder. We came together for our first meeting, and Mr. Cricket, Mike Hussey, was our captain. And the thing that took me aback and took me by surprise was his way to ensure that he included everyone. And on the very first day, we had a team meeting ran by the coach and Captain Mike, and sort of went around the room and discussed what we wanted to achieve that season as a group and how we wanted to go about our cricket. And the second person Mike asked in the room was me. He asked me for my opinion and what I thought. And I'll be honest, I wasn't ready to give it, because I looked around me and there were guys who'd played for their country, guys who'd played hundreds of T20 games. But what it did was it made me feel straight away really a part of the group, really valued and very welcome. And it was something that to this day has stuck by me, just on the importance of ensuring that I myself is an extrovert, but there are a lot of introverts within the room and within the cricket team for me, and ensuring that everyone has equal power of voice, equal power of hearing their opportunity to speak, because there's so many little things that everyone sees in different ways. For me on a cricket field now, captaining it's about ensuring that I cover off the guys who may not speak a lot, but they observe the game far better than anyone else. So it's important to have those little conversations. So straight away in my early career, I learned arguably the biggest lesson today about my leadership journey was just about bringing people in.